prepared for unexpected messes with the Bissell Spotclean. It permanently removes spots and stains from carpets and upholstery with water, Bissell formula, and handheld cleaning tools with powerful suction. Fill your clean water solution tank. Release the hose from the hose grip basket. Select the desired tool for spot cleaning. Here we will use the 3-inch tough stain tool. Twist the quick release cord wrap clockwise to unwrap the power cord completely. Plug in your unit. Press the power button beneath the handle to start. Pre-treat heavily stained or highly soiled areas first. Spray the soiled area and wait 3 to 5 minutes to clean. Hold the 3-inch tough stain tool just above the carpet or upholstery to be cleaned. Press the trigger to spray solution over the soiled area. Release the spray trigger and gently scrub the stain. To lift the stain away, apply downward pressure on the tool and pull it toward you. Watch as powerful suction removes dirt and solution. As a final step, without pressing the spray trigger, use drying strokes to remove as much moisture as possible. Repeat as necessary. To clean with the deep stain tool, attach it to the handheld cleaning hose. Set the tool directly on top of the carpet before pulling the spray trigger to inject formula deep into the carpet fibers. To lift the stain away, apply downward pressure on the tool and pull it toward you. Watch as powerful suction removes dirt and solution. Repeat as necessary.